Hi everyone, welcome to Take 5 with ActiveYards. I'm your host today, Jen Wellesley, and I'm here with Scott Gamble. He is the head of marketing for ActiveYards. Hi Scott.
Hi Jen.
How are you?
Excellent, thank you.
Hey, so today we're going to talk about Bynder. What is Bynder?
Well, Bynder is what's called a digital asset management system. And that's a big name for a simple system. And really all it is a repository that houses a bunch of marketing assets. And assets can be advertisements, assets can be billboards, assets can be brochures. It's really all you need in your marketing program.
Wow. So how would a dealer get access to that?
Well, all of our dealers should have access. So as an ActiveYards dealer, everybody should have access. If you don't, just reach out to your sales rep and they can facilitate access. And all you need is a username and password. So it's shared amongst you, amongst your workers at the dealer. And so make sure you use a generic username and password. Don't use what you use for your bank account at home or anything like that. And then you'll have access to everything you need.
Got it. So one login per dealer.
Yes, one login per dealer. Valerie Beck, who's our marketing coordinator, can help any dealer with the username and password if you don't remember what it is or you need to reset it or anything like that. Reach out to your rep. They'll put you in touch with Valerie, and then she can help all the dealers out. Not a problem.
Super. So that's how I get my login. So let's say I needed to send a brochure to a customer. How would I go about doing that?
Well, the great thing about Bynder is all that information is right at your fingertips. So let's just jump into a quick demo, and I'll show you how to find and download things like brochures or advertisements. There's a bunch of advertisements in there that are ready to go, and we'll just take a quick look.
Great.
All right. Excellent. So as you can see, everybody hopefully can see the screen behind me. So we'll jump into Bynder. You have a tile on your home page that says ActiveYards Dealer. You just click that tile. And then once you're in Bynder, this is what you'll see. And the navigation at the top is really the key here. So under asset type, just click on that and you'll see things like advertising, branding, collateral, images, media, and merchandising. So if you're looking for a brochure, right? So that's under collateral. So you click on collateral, and that'll bring up subsets or subtypes of collateral. So you've got brochures, you've got catalogs, sell sheets, warranties, etc. Now, keep in mind that this isn't just for the current year 2022, but there's also some historical information in here as well. So the next thing you probably want to do, just to keep it simple and make sure you get the right brochure, is go over to Asset Year, click Asset Year, and click 2022. And as you can see, there's 4 items in there under 2022. So right here, once you click 2022, you get your vinyl quick ship brochure, your aluminum quick ship brochure, and your railing brochure. We also have a vinyl quick ship brochure from 2021 in there that we were using previously. So simply click on whatever brochure you want. You'll see that brochure. So this is the 2022 quick ship brochure for vinyl. And then you just click on download all files. Okay. And as you can see down here in the bottom, that just downloaded, and then you can save it to your desktop. So the other thing you can do is, let me just show you some other assets here. So you can clear these, you can clear all you can save your filter, you can clear your filters. So, let's go back here and take a look at, for instance, asset type of advertising. Because again, advertisements are a great tool that all of our dealers should be taking advantage of. So within here, you've got some billboards that are pre-made, ready to go. You've got digital ads that are ready to go and print ads. So for instance, if you click on digital, what that does is it brings up a whole host of digital ads that you can see, different sizes, different types of material, whether it's aluminum or vinyl, and you can just download any of these and use them as you want. So,
wow.
So again, it's a great asset. very useful.
That's great. So again, if you have any questions about Bynder, this is just one of the many resources that ActiveYards dealers have. You can reach out to your regional account manager and they can do a training with you if you have any questions. Thanks a lot, Scott.
My pleasure, Jen.